Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Speak No. I'm David, here with Anna. Welcome to Day 15, the start of Week 3.
Hello, everyone. Week 3. This week is all about expressing yourself, sharing your personality, your feelings, and your voice with the world.
And we start with something so fun, saying what you like and what you don't like. Coffee or tea, cats or dogs, winter or summer. These simple choices show the real you.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to share your likes and dislikes with warmth and confidence, and you'll know how to ask others about theirs.
Have you ever wanted to share your favorite things, but felt stuck for words? Sound familiar? Not for long. Let's begin. Why does this matter so much? Because your likes and dislikes are the shortcut to your personality. When you share what you love, people see who you really are.
Exactly. And here's the magic. When you share your likes, other people often share theirs. Suddenly, you find things in common. Common interests are how friendships begin.
And here's the consequence if you stay silent. People never really get to know you. Conversations stay polite but shallow. You feel invisible.
But when you can say, I love music, or I don't like the cold, you open a window into your world. And people love that.
Small phrases, big personality. Let's do it. Common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. After like and love, using the wrong verb form. For activities, use the ing form. Say, I like cooking, not I like cook. Like swimming, love reading, don't like waking up early.
Mistake number 2. Using I love for everything. I love is very strong. Save it for things you truly love. For everyday things, I like is fine.
Mistake number 3. Saying no instead of don't like. A single no can sound cold. I don't like the cold is warmer and clearer.
Mistake number 4. Forgetting to ask back. Same trap as always. After you share, ask, how about you? That keeps the conversation flowing.
Mistake number 5. Only giving one-word answers. Don't just say coffee, say I love coffee. Full sentences feel warmer.
All easy to fix. Step by step.
Step number 1. I like plus the thing. I like coffee. I like music. I like cats. Basic but powerful.
Step number 2. I love for stronger feelings. I love pizza. I love traveling. I love my job. Save it for real love.
Step number 3. I don't like for dislikes. I don't like the cold. I don't like getting up early. Simple and clear.
Step number 4. I really like for something between like and love. Perfect for hobbies. I really like football.
Step number 5. Use -ing for activities. I like cooking. I love dancing. I don't like waiting.
Step number 6. Give a small reason. I like coffee because it wakes me up. One little because adds so much color.
Step number 7. Ask back. How about you? Or what do you like?
In action. Anna, what do you like?
I love music. I really like cooking, and I don't like getting up early. How about you?
I like coffee. I really like reading, and I don't like the cold. Beautiful, full, and personal.
Mini recap. I like, I love, I don't like, I really like. Use ing for activities. Add because for a reason. Ask back. Home practice.
Exercise number 1. 3 likes and 1 dislike. Say them out loud. I like, I love, I really like, I don't like. Use your real preferences.
Exercise number 2. The ing drill. Practice. I like cooking. I love reading. I don't like waiting. I really like walking. Feel the ing ending naturally.
Exercise number 3. Give a reason. Say a like plus a reason. I love pizza because it's delicious. I don't like the cold because it hurts my hands.
Exercise number 4, the Ask Back drill. Practice, "How about you?" and "What do you like?" out loud 5 times each.
Exercise number 5, the personality warm-up. Every morning, say 2 things you love and 1 thing you don't like out loud. Start your day connected to you.
Small habit, big personality.
Feelings.
Challenge number 1. I feel awkward sharing my likes. That's shy energy, and it's totally normal. But your likes matter. Start small. Even one shared preference builds confidence.
Challenge number 2. My English isn't good enough to describe what I love. Simple words work. You don't need complex vocabulary. I love good food. That's enough. Simple beats fancy every time.
Challenge number 3. I don't want to sound negative when I share dislikes. Just be gentle. I don't like the cold is soft. Avoid strong words like hate. Save those for real things.
Don't give up. Sharing likes is one of the fastest ways to become memorable in conversation.
Useful words. Prefer, to like one thing more than another. Favorite, the one you love most. Hobby, an activity you do for fun. Interest, something that catches your attention. Try one today.
3 questions.
Question 1. For activities, which verb form do we use after like? Cook or cooking? Question 2. What stronger word can you use instead of like? Question 3. What small word adds a reason? Excellent!
Recap. I like, I love. I don't like, I really like. Use ing for activities. Add because. Ask back.
Week 3 begins, and your English is now full of personality.
Our question for you. Comment below. Tell us 1 thing you love and 1 thing you don't like.
And please, like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Speak Now.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is Dr. Speak Now.